Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the network and account so messages route over Wi-Fi. Join a reliable Wi-Fi network and sign into your Apple ID in Settings. Once signed in, enable iMessage under Settings Messages and wait for activation. Make sure your device time is correct because activation checks the server. Once done, verify send and receive shows your phone number and email addresses. This initial alignment tells Apple which endpoints to use, so future messages go over Wi-Fi instead of cellular. Now focus on composing and addressing so iMessage uses Wi-Fi. Open Messages, tap the new message icon, then type a contact, phone, or Apple ID email. Blue names indicate iMessage-capable recipients. Make sure Settings Messages Send and Receive lists the correct caller ID. Selecting the right address prevents fallback to SMS. When you attach photos, videos, or voice notes, they send over your Wi-Fi connection, conserving cellular data. If a recipient is green, they aren't on iMessage and will use SMS instead. Finish by sending the message and confirming it went over Wi-Fi. Blue bubbles and delivered or read receipts indicate success. If a message is stuck or stays green, first toggle iMessage off and on in Settings Messages, then sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This refreshes credentials and activation. If that fails, reset network settings or reboot your router to clear connectivity issues. One key troubleshooting tip: signing out of iMessage and signing back in often resolves routing and activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.